back to another episode of RealTube. Today we're doing a Nerf war. Alright, so today we've got this huge boundary here on this tatami, and this here, and this is Alex, and this is Keith. Yeah, the one holding behind the camera right now. Alright, so right now we're gonna start the Nerf war soon, so I don't know. Look, keep up with a bullet first. With this bullet. And yeah, I guess it should be starting. Yeah. Alright, so Keith is gonna start here. This is Keith, if you don't know. Then Alex is gonna start there. Alright? So, without further ado, let the Nerf war begin in 3, 2, 1, go! FYI, 2 body shots equals to dead, and 1 headshot equals to dead as well.
I hit him.
In the body?
Yeah, you did. I did.
1. So it means you have to hit him one more time. Oh, okay.
I hit twice.
You have to hit the body twice and hit the head once. Oh, hit twice. Alright, so okay, one more. Let's see. How's Keith doing? Is he doing it well? Oh, blocked by the shield. Oh no. Oh, did Alex hit? Oh no. Looks like Keith is reloading all the bullets here right now. Oh, he's activating his aim. Oh, and he's taking a shot. Oh no, it missed. Oh, shoot. Oh, and Keith is out. Oh! Guys, hit that like button if you pity me. We're back to the second round. After first round of Alex beating Keith. Keith, what do you feel about that?
Angry.
What are you gonna do about it?
Smash him in the face.
Okay, good.
How's that good?
Who cares? Alright, Alex, how you gonna feel about this once you hurt Keith?
Happy.
Why? Because he's gonna smash you in the face?
No, because he's gonna miss.
Oh, okay. Dab on the haters. Keep on dreaming. Okay, now second round is starting in 3, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
No, miss.
it was a miss. Unfortunate. And it hit Alex in the body. Whoop. Alex, if you come out. Oh, miss. And looks like Keith has been victorious. Alex, stop raging. Alright, second round is over. How did you feel about losing that round?
Sad. I want my revenge again.
Alright, then how will you do that?
Taking the grenade and just throw it.
Okay, I'll explain to you guys what the grenade is later. Alright, good luck, Alex. Keith, what do you feel about that round?
Victorious.
Alright, any other comments?
I'm gonna beat him this round, fair and square.
Alright, this is the last round, so good luck to you as well.
Sure.
So guys, now as you can see, we've got this thing right here. This bag is right in the middle of the whole battle zone. I'll introduce you the things in there. This is a grenade. Hit anywhere of the person, and the guy dies. Instant kill. This is the bag. 3 shots on the body, 2 shots on the head. This is a scratcher. Okay? So 2 shots on the body, 1 shot on the head. And this is the lightsaber. lightsaber. Anywhere you hit, instant kill, just like the grenade. Alright, now players, now you've known the extra things in round 3. This is your final battle. Now, I'm going to spice things up a bit. For the guns you're using, you have to now hit them 3 times in the body, but also 1 hit shot, okay? 3 times on the body, 1 hit shot, okay? So, without further ado, 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, and looks like it has totally missed. Oh, and looks like he is dead.
No, I hit you with the lightsaber.
There on the
No, I hit you with the lightsaber.
Okay, so this is confusing round. We're gonna restart this round right now. So, okay guys, unfortunately the lightsaber's broken. So now we're just gonna make it a whipper. So it has to be on, and yeah, it's the same thing. Instant kill. Alright, put it right there in the middle. Not so middle, but who cares? Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, and looks like an early start. And looks like Alex took it with the grenade. I guess Keith took a grenade for Alex.
You need that footage. You need that footage.
Help me!